From the solid cylinder whose height is 8 centimeter, you can see this height is cylinder, height is 8 centimeter, radius is 6 centimeter. A conical cavity of 8 centimeter, this is the conical cavity of 8 centimeter height. This length is 8 centimeter and base radius 6 centimeter, same radius, is hollowed out, means removed. Find the volume of the remaining solid. We have to find the volume of the remaining solid. Also find the total surface area of the remaining solid. To get the first volume of the remaining solid, we have to find the volume of this cylinder and find the volume of the cone, subtract it, we will get the answer. So I can say the volume of the remaining cylinder will be volume here, okay, remaining volume we can say, right. So that will be equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. So what is the formula? So here V of this remaining here, say R is volume of cylinder is what? Pi R square H minus pi. See, the radius of both is the same. Radius of the cone and radius of the cylinder is same. So we can say pi, same R square, but height is different. So I'll put H here. You have to be careful about noting down the heights. Height of this one is 10, height of this one is height of the cylinder is 8 centimeters. Height of the hollowed out is 8. Cylinders whose height is 8 centimeter, radius is 6 centimeter, conical cavity of height 8 centimeter and base is 6 centimeter is hollowed out. Fine, find the remaining one. So okay, this is 10 centimeter they have given here, so we can find it. This is for something else, right? So we have to find it out under the entire thing. This height of the cylinder is also 8, height of the cone is also 8. So both have got H only, so there's no need to change it. We can put a small h for both of these. Okay, now what is common in these two? The height of the cone is 1/3 of that, right? So it will give you what? Pi is common, R square, and H is also common. What is left? 1 minus 1/3 is left. So I can say here it is pi R square H, and 1 minus 1/3 is what? 3 minus 1, so 2/3. Okay, so if I further solve it, it will be 22/7 into R is how much? 6 square, height is 8, you can put it 8 only here, and 2/3. So I can cancel here. So it's 22/7 into 6 into 6 into 8 into 2, the whole thing upon 3. So it will give 3 to the 6, got cancel here. Now then rest you have to multiply, there is nothing we can cancel in it. So finally you will get what? That is 22 into 6 into 2 into 8 and into 2. Whatever you get, you divide it by, get 4 2, okay, 4 2 2 4 divided by 7. You divide it by 7, you get 603.42, right? And this is centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the remaining cylinder, as remaining part of the cylinder here. Now we have to find, this is the first answer here. Now we have to find the total surface area of the remaining. What is this visible surface area? You can see area of the base will be visible, curved surface area of the cylinder will be visible. There is no area of the ring. Can you see that? No area of the ring, only the inner curved surface of the cone is visible in it. So we can find the area of the remaining part by how? See, area of the area will be equal to area of base plus curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone. That is what we have, nothing else. So area of base is pi r square and area of cylinder curved surface area is 2 pi rh. Remember the height is same and radius is same, and the cone is pi rl. If I take pi and r common, pi and r common, what is left? R plus 2h plus l. Put the value here at it. So 22 upon 7 into r is how much? R is 6 centimeter. 6 into, with the bracket here, right? In the bracket, r is how much? 6 plus height is 8 centimeter. So 2 into 8. L we have to calculate and is done here for you. So you can calculate L. L will be equal to under root of r square plus h square, and that will give you 100 under root, and that is 10. You can calculate that, right? 10 square minus, sorry, 6 square plus 8 square. Understood? So it is 10. So I can put it 10 here. So if I further solve it, it will become 22 upon 7 into 6, and if I multiply 6 plus 16 plus 10, so further it will be 22 upon 7 into 6 into 6 plus 10 is 26, 26 plus 6 is 32. So if you cancel it, multiply all of these, you will get how much? So it is 22 into 6 into 32, and that has to be divided by 7. It will give you the same value, that is 603.42 centimeter square, and this is the area of the surface we can see, and this is another answer in it. So remember, if they have given you a question wherein the cylinder height and the cone height is same, radius of both the say figures also same, and it has been curved out, the surface area so left over and the volume which is left over will be always equal in it. You can take it as a general one, and this is the answer for both the questions in it.